Theta value equivalent to $0.6410 a coin. The present reach: $0.6298, $0.6490. The earlier day close: $0.6470. The change was 0.0060, 0.93%. Reverse rate: United States dollars to Theta. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Theta cost expectation for September 2023. Initially cost at $0.62. Most extreme cost 70 cents, least cost 58 cents. The normal for the month 64 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 65 cents, change for September 4.8%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. At the outset cost at $0.65. Most extreme cost 75 cents, least cost 60 cents. The normal for the month 66 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 64 cents, change for October 1.5%. Theta cost expectation for November 2023. First and foremost cost at $0.64. Greatest cost 71 cents, least cost 50 cents. The normal for the month 60 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 54 cents, change for November 15.6%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. To start with cost at $0.54. Greatest cost 62 cents, least cost 54 cents. The normal for the month 57 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 58 cents, change for December 7.4%. Theta cost expectation for January 2024. In the first place cost at $0.58. Greatest cost 58 cents, least cost 47 cents. The normal for the month 54 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 51 cents, change for January 12.1%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. To start with cost at $0.51. Greatest cost 51 cents, least cost 40 cents. The normal for the month 46 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 43 cents, change for February 15.7%. Theta cost expectation for WAC 2024. In the first place cost at $0.43. Greatest cost 44 cents, least cost 38 cents. The normal for the month 42 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 41 cents, change for spring 4.7%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. To start with cost at $0.41. Greatest cost 41 cents, least cost 35 cents. The normal for the month 39 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 38 cents, change for April 7.3%. Theta cost expectation for May 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.38. Greatest cost 45 cents, least cost 38 cents. The normal for the month 41 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 42 cents, change for May 10.5%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. Before all else cost at $0.42. Most extreme cost 52 cents, least cost 42 cents. The normal for the month 46 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 49 cents, change for June 16.7%. Theta cost expectation for July 2024. Initially cost at $0.49. Most extreme cost 49 cents, least cost 38 cents. The normal for the month 44 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 41 cents, change for July 16.3%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. To start with cost at $0.41. Greatest cost 41 cents, least cost 32 cents. The normal for the month 37 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 34 cents, change for August 17.1%. Theta cost expectation for September 2024. In the first place cost at $0.34. Greatest cost 40 cents, least cost 34 cents. The normal for the month 36 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 37 cents, change for September 8.8%. Theta cost expectation for November 2025. Initially cost at $0.18. Most extreme cost 21 cents, least cost 18 cents. The normal for the month 19 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 20 cents, change for November 11.1%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for December 2025. At the outset cost at $0.20. Most extreme cost 20 cents, least cost 17 cents. The normal for the month 19 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 18 cents, change for December 10.0%. Theta cost expectation for January 2026. To start with cost at $0.18. Greatest cost 18 cents, least cost 16 cents. The normal for the month 17 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 17 cents, change for January 5.6%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. Initially cost at $0.17. Most extreme cost 18 cents, least cost 16 cents. The normal for the month 17 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 17 cents, change for February 0.0%. Theta cost expectation for WAC 2026. Before all else cost at $0.17. Most extreme cost 21 cents, least cost 17 cents. The normal for the month 19 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 20 cents, change for spring 17.6%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.20. Greatest cost 25 cents, least cost 20 cents. The normal for the month 22 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 23 cents, change for April 15.0%. Theta cost expectation for May 2026. In the first place cost at $0.23. Greatest cost 29 cents, least cost 23 cents. The normal for the month 26 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 27 cents, change for May 17.4%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for June 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.27. Greatest cost 27 cents, least cost 23 cents. The normal for the month 26 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 25 cents, change for June 7.4%. Theta cost expectation for July 2026. To start with cost at $0.25. Greatest cost 28 cents, least cost 24 cents. The normal for the month 26 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 26 cents, change for July 4.0%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for August 2026. In the first place cost at $0.26. Greatest cost 32 cents, least cost 26 cents. The normal for the month 29 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 30 cents, change for August 15.4%. Theta cost expectation for September 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.30. Most extreme